quick demonstration about how to set up liquid overnights. The way I like to do it is to set up one tube that has enough LB and ampicillin in it for all of the cultures you're going to set up. So aliquot, in this case, 12.5 mils to one tube. Add enough ampicillin to that tube for a 1 to 1,000 dilution. Give a quick vortex to mix, or you could pipette up and down. And take a new pipette, an aliquot, an equal amount between the tubes you need. And now in terms of putting in the bacteria, there are a couple of different ways to do it. One is to take a sterile tip, scrape up a colony from the agar, and throw it in. Another way is to take a sterile toothpick, scrape up a colony, and throw it in. Another way would be to take a loop and heat it up so that it's red hot. Touch it somewhere to the plate to cool it a smidge. Scrape up some cells and inoculate that way. Clean off the loop. And then you can grow your cultures overnight on a roller wheel. And in the morning, the dense culture will look cloudy, the ones you've inoculated, and if you do a no cells control, it should stay clear.